So we have already seen this series name goals. Let's suppose if I want to edit the number of goal in the first season, means goals at index 1 I want to edit equal to 100. So when you print, you will see in the first season it show 100. So you can add it with the help of indexing. Okay, now let's suppose if the index is not exist, then we can add it or not. Let's see. Let's suppose this index and in 21, but I want to add it 21 to 22, and I want to write a goal 100. Oh, no error. It means it add here. You can see here. Now when the index is not in the series, just putting like this, you can add a index. Okay, now we can also do the same thing with the help of slicing. How? You can see here. Let's suppose I want to add it from the 0th index to the 4th index. I want to write a goal of 100. You see, from the 0 to 4 it shows 100. Okay, now we can also do this thing with the help of, like if I want to give a number of goal must be different, 100, then the index 1 is 200, index 3 is 300, index 4 is 400. It also works. 100, 200, 300, 400. I hope you clear. We want to give the same value. You will put is equal to 100. If you want to give a different value, you just need to put that inside a list. Okay. Let's suppose if I want to add it with the help of fancy indexing. Let's suppose I want to change index 0, index 1, index last and index second last with equal to something like 200. Okay. Okay, sorry, fancy index works like this. You need to put an extra. Okay, now you will see 200, 200, and the last 2 is also 200, because I have specified here 0 index, first index, last index and last second index. But if you want to do different value like 500, 1000, in the last I will put 1200 and 1000 in the second last. You will see 500, 1000, last is 1200 and the last second is 1000. I hope you clear. You can also edit these things with the help of own custom index using the index level. I will show you. Let's suppose I provided the index and I want to add in is equal to 0. Okay, you will run the cell. When you will see the last index is 0. That is 2021 to 2022. It shows 0. I hope you understand this, how we are going to edit our series using indexing and the slicing. Okay, thank you.